This is a monster fish. It's called guru in local language. It weighs about 22 kilo. This fish. It's a big fish. It is weighing. It was caught in a net in Kundapur, and we brought it to be shared with our friends and well-wishers. So Arun has begun to clean it. It's a tough job. Cutting is a tough job, but hopefully we will do it. We have all the instruments necessary for that one, and we have a special guest, Rocky Fernandez, who was in Dubai. Yes, hi Rocky. Hi Rocky. Yes. He's a very good fisherman. He's an expert fisherman. Recently he caught a guru also, small one. So let's continue. It's a big job. We have a cat too. we'll give this fish to the cat and see how she will react. Okay. Nice, friends. It's going on. Okay. Share with you later. Okay, friends. It's time to cut the fish. Cutting is in process, and we have all the wood instrument. This is a special sickle, recently ordered by me, and I got it. It cost about 800 rupees. These are the pieces. It is cut into pieces. This head itself, it weighs about 5 to 6 kilos.
2 mid pieces.
And 2 mid pieces.
No. And the bila.
And over to Brian. Okay. And we have all our friends. Archie Menezes is there. Arun is there. And a special guest, Brian, who was instrumental in bringing this fish to Kemmannu. Okay, what do you feel, Brian?
Guys, this is a beautiful, large fish, I have never seen this before. It's really nice. It should be really nice. Guys, thank you for watching the video.
Thank you, Brian. Okay. And we have these small cats. Cats are confused either to eat or to leave it.